Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to you. We are Team Aquaflux. We are participating in the Smart India Hackathon 2020, the hardware edition. We are from Kamala Institute of Technology and Science. I am Devra Tirukovela, and this is our team. In today's world, depleting water resources generates a necessity to conserve and use water efficiently. Our problem statement is to build a device that can measure the discharge of a pipeline without actually having to cut it. We have developed a prototype based on this problem statement. The idea is to improve present water management systems. The problem statement has been provided by Nala Solutions. After a lot of brainstorming, we finally found a solution for this. Our process is based upon the equation of continuity, which states that discharge equals area times velocity. If we can find the velocity of the flow, then we can find the discharge given the cross-sectional area.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Aquaflux device, which is capable of measuring discharge through a pipe without contacting the fluid or having to cut the pipe. Let us show you how the device works. And this is just an example of how it is used in the real world. For our project, we have used an Arduino Uno microcontroller. An Arduino is an open source prototyping platform used for building electronic projects. Also, we have used an NPN non-contact liquid level detector sensor to detect the presence of fluid behind any surface of a container. We have used a mobile as a serial monitor to display the information recorded by the Arduino. We have also used a water pump that pumps fluid at constant pressure.
This is a 2D simulation of the operation. You can see the first sensor is active, confirming the presence of water under the surface of the pipe. And as the water flows, the second sensor also detects the presence of water, and this transition time is recorded by the Arduino. As the water pump pumps the fluid through the pipe, the Arduino records the transit time through the sensors and displays in the serial monitor. And this is a real experiment we have performed using the apparatus.
These are all the factors we have considered in our calculations while finding out the theoretical discharge during our experiment. We have obtained a top efficiency of 98% and the prototype has cost us 1300 rupees, which can be further reduced. The device can be used to improve the water management system in the societies, to reduce the wastage of water and also to monitor. The main application of the device is to measure the discharge of any pipe without any hassle of
The main
installation.
advantage of this Aquaflex device is that when compared to other flow meters, this device can measure the discharge without having to cut any pipe. Further, we are working on a new method to find the discharge through an open conduct flow in a pipeline. We are under a development process of building a mobile application that simplifies the calculation process and directly displays the information. We have also designed a three-dimensional protective case, but due to the lockdown restrictions, we could not able to manufacture it. And we are the team Aquaflux, and this is our idea. Thank you.